Okay, so here's the dishwasher we're going to be removing today. There's really not much to it. It's a pretty straightforward job. There's just 4 things you have to do. Disconnect the water, disconnect the drain, disconnect the electrical, and undo a couple of screws. So the first thing you want to do is find the breaker and turn the power off. Now go under the sink and disconnect the drain hose. And just so you know, any of the tools I use today will be listed in the description below. And turn the water off. If you don't have one of these, you'll just have to go down to the main and turn it off. Now take the 2 access screws out that hold this panel on at the bottom. And after you get the cover off, there's a water line right here that you want to disconnect. There will be some water that drips out of this hose, so use an old towel and put it underneath. And back on the other side, you'll find the electrical connections underneath this cover. So even though we turned off the breaker at the panel, it's always good to double check to make sure a circuit is dead. I have this neat little tester and it's made by Fluke. They're only about 25 bucks and they're really good. When you turn it on, it will flash to let you know that it's operating. You can use it in a receptacle or along the side of a wire to tell if it's live. So this just goes to show you, this was not planned in this video, but look at this. It's actually still live. I hit the wrong breaker. Okay, it's now dead, so we can disconnect. And now open the door, and up here there will be 2 screws. Remove those. And on the floor there will be 2 leveling feet. Adjust those up. So at this point it's ready to come out, so just drop the door down and wiggle it. And once you get it out a couple of inches, stop there and take your rag and put it under those front feet to protect the floor. Well, I hope this video has helped. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time.